This is where we left off in the last video. This is now Tuesday morning. Okay, this is all dry right now and ready to go. And I was digging in through some totes. Now, let me show you some of the things that I have. And I just have way too much junk. I collect way too much stuff. As I go through all my totes and everything, I end up throwing away stuff, and you'll see why right here. I can't believe some of the stuff that I've been saving. Now, I went into one of my totes where I had all my stuff for creating river scenes. Now, let me show you what I got here. Okay, now I just transferred this. This is sand. Decorative sand. I had these in two different containers, Sabra containers that were getting all broken up. But here's Big Lots, river rocks. I got this. And I mixed some of these river rocks with some other ones that I had here. Wait a minute here. No. So some of these with these into here, what I'm going to use here. But look at this. Some old cork and some scenic material. And I just pulled out a bunch of number 4 wood screws out of there. Okay. Now here's another one. Here's some ballast that I pulled up. Now, why in the world I was saving that? But on the Leakin Creek layout, I had an area where I had piles and piles of the gray and the brown ballast that I pulled up, just piles of, with a backhoe next to it. Here's some more rocks that I have. And what's in this one right here? Okay, some more. Okay, so what else I have in here? I have carving plaster. Here's another thing of rocks right here. Here's a deal of sawdust. Okay, I got hydrocal. And here's some more stuff that I got at probably Hobby Lobby. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby. Carving plaster. Yep. Hobby Lobby. There's the thing right there. That one was $4.31. And this one was $7.19. So I'm not sure if they had a lower price on it somewhere. Yeah, there's the regular price. Oh, $7.19. And then this one was $4.31. So a lot of stuff that you could get at Hobby Lobby at a discount. Here's $10.99. Okay, I'm not sure if that was their original price, or I don't think that's not a Hobby Lobby label. Okay, so here's some Hobby Lobby that I picked up. Rock molds. Like I need some more rock molds, so because here's all the rock molds that I had before. So do I have enough rock molds? I'm going to have to start getting busy doing some rocks and stuff. I just got too much shit here. Unfortunately, you will not be able to find any kind of good things at Hobby Lobby anymore. The things that I got there that were on sale, they were on clearance aisle. That was about 6 or 7 years ago when they were getting rid of a lot of stuff. Now, we went there today in Davenport on our way back from Orlando, and I'll show you a short video of what it looks like now. Well, I'm in the Hobby Lobby in Davenport, and where they usually have all the railroad stuff, this is it. Some easy track right there. No HO or N scale. There's a few plastic and brass pieces. JTT. And that's it. That's it. And here is the acrylic paints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 racks, and probably 3 of them are useless. These 3 right here, crafters and glitter and shit. So folk art and Americana. That's it right there. Those acrylic paints are getting very, very hard to find. Even at Michael's, they are reduced. I mean, they have more than what Hobby Lobby has. They have the folk art and Americana, and they have a couple other brands. But all the colors that you used to be able to get that you could use for model railroading, they don't have anymore. I mean, they got the basic whites and yellows and blues, but none of the, like, I haven't seen any yellow ochre. I haven't seen any raw sienna, burnt sienna. I haven't seen any midnight, which is good. And what's the other one? There's another black one that I use for weathering. Can't find them anymore. So yeah, you're going to have to go online to see if you can find these paints anywhere. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Now here's some of the older paints that I have. I have 6 shoebox fulls of them. Now some of them are hard. You know, I got to add water and mix them up and to get them to work. But I still got a lot of them, so I'm glad I saved them. On the creek bed, I'm using some of these colors here. Let me see. Seafoam green, seaside, and then greenscape, and then burnt sienna. So I did the base with this, and then did a little bit more towards the middle, and more towards the middle, and very close to the middle, and I'll show you what that looks like. Well, I'm not sure how this is going to turn out once I put the water stuff on it, but we'll see. Maybe I should have tried something other than the burnt sienna in the center, maybe a green, dark green or something like that. But we'll see how that turns out. And then I did painted the rest of this back here. So I gotta let it dry now, and we'll play around with the water stuff. Now that was a distraction on the creek, but coming up on the next video, you'll see how I did the creek with the paints and everything else. So until the next time, we'll see ya, and have fun with whatever you're doing.